Hi, today let's make super easy and super simple ragi and cashew butter cookies at home. Trust me, it is a very simple process, just takes 30 minutes to make. In a bowl, I've added in ragi. First, you need to add in all the dry ingredients. So the ragi is added to the bowl. Now I'm adding in some corn flour. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. This particular cookie is no any kind of egg, maida, preservative, just absolutely simple ingredients, but yet very delicious. I've added in baking soda. Now I'm adding in jaggery powder. Now I'm adding in crushed cashew. So I've taken it cashew and just crushed it. If you don't like cashews, just skip it. You can just make it just like that. Now I'm just mixing all the dry ingredients really very well. Please note, whenever you're adding ragi or baking soda or your corn flour, it's always important to sieve. So I always sieve my ingredients before, just to avoid any kind of lump sum or those the lumps on our butter cookies, and it's smooth. So our dry ingredients are ready. Now let's add in wet ingredients. Here I'm adding in ghee, or you can even add in melted butter. So I'm adding in ghee. This gives a great flavor to our cookies. Next, I'm adding in some milk and make a smooth dough out of this. This dough is just perfect if you follow the measurements which I've given. Now the dough is ready. That's it. Super simple. Now you can make small cookies out of it. You can make small, medium, completely your choice. This is a good activity if you can do with your kids as well. You and your kids can together make cookies. Very simple to make. Just tap it like this. Once you make a small ball, just tap it like this, like a cookie shape, and then place it on your oven tray, and then repeat the same for all the dough which you have made. Very simple, very easy to make. This will be done in just 30 minutes. Now I like to make it look pretty. Completely it's optional. If you want, you can skip it as well. Now the cookies are ready, right? Now just take a fork and just gently tap it on the cookie dough like this, and see, look at it. It just that gives it cute shape to our or the cute impression on our cookies, and when it bakes and comes out, it looks beautiful. Now I'm adding in cashews as well. If you want, you can add in walnuts. If you don't want, skip it. If you don't want to add nuts at all, please go ahead and skip it, because some people have nut allergies, so please go ahead and skip it. Completely optional. Look at it, it's beautiful, looking good. Now ready to go into the oven. I'll put it in the oven for 175 for 14 to 15 minutes, and once it's done, just keep it outside and let it like air dry for 4 to 5 minutes, and that's it. Your super simple, super easy ragi and cashew butter cookies are ready. You can store it in the airtight container, perfect for your journeys, travels, snack time, kids school tiffin boxes, or you can even have it with your chai. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.